Assalamu alaikum. I'm Kulsum Zehra, your mentor for the course of English Grammar. In this lecture, we'll learn the past simple tense. A past simple tense is a verb tense that's used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. It usually emphasizes that the action is finished. For example, Wolfgang Mozart was an Austrian musician and a composer. He lived from 1756 to 1791. He started composing at the age of 5 and wrote more than 600 pieces of music. He was only 35 years old when he died. In this example, we talked about a musician and his achievements who lived in a certain period of past. In the past simple tense, the regular verbs are converted into an ed form. For example, I work in a travel agency now. Before that, I worked in a departmental store. We invited them to our party, but they decided not to come. The police stopped me on the way home last night. In all these examples, worked, invited, and stopped are the ed forms of regular verbs like work, invite, and stop. While in case of past simple tense containing an irregular verb, the second form of verb is used that doesn't necessarily end in ed. For example, we saw Rose in town a few days ago. I went to the cinema 3 times last week. It was cold, so I shut the window. These irregular verbs like saw, went, shut are the verb forms of see, go, and shut, so they do not end in ed form. A past simple tense also talks about a past state of being, such as the way someone felt about something. For the past forms of be, is, am, are, which are was and were, are used. For example, I was angry because they were late. Was the weather good when you were on holidays? They weren't able to come because they were so busy. In all these examples, we have used the past form of be, which is was. The structure of an interrogative or negative past simple tense include did not, plus an infinitive. An infinitive is usually formed from verb, but it doesn't act like a verb, like enjoy, see, go, etc., and is usually followed by verb to. Examples of questions and negatives with their structures are: did you enjoy? Did she see? Did they go? Or I didn't enjoy, she didn't see, or they didn't go. Other examples may be: did you know how to use computer? They didn't invite her to party, so she didn't go. Or did you have time to write the letter? No, I didn't. In all these examples, we have used did plus an infinitive like to use, to party, and to write. Thank you so much. For more videos, do subscribe the channel.